Hello students, myself Ravi Kumar. Today we are going to discuss why the carbon is the central atom in the organic chemistry. I have some things here on my table. You need to tell me which of these things contain carbon. Let's see what we have. Here I have a piece of paper, some chalk, pencil, a diamond ring, bowl of sugar. What is the formula of sugar? The formula is C12H22O11. If you take medicines, for example, paracetamol and cetirizine also have carbon. Do we have any other things here that contain carbon? Wood contains carbon. In the air, carbon dioxide contains carbon. That's the magic of chemistry. Even you and I are made up of carbon. In fact, all the living things are made up of carbon. So, carbon is said to be the element of life. We can divide the occurrence of carbon into two types: the elemental state and the compounded state. Elemental state means carbon occurs in pure form. The compounded state means the carbon combines with other elements. So let's divide the things on my table here into these two types. Here we have sugar and chalk and paper. We can say these things come under compounded state. And we have a diamond ring and pencil comes under elemental state. The pencil is a graphite, carbon pure form. The diamond is also a pure form of carbon, so it comes under elemental state. Here the sugar is C12H22O11 and the chalk is CaCO3. The paper contains cellulose, polymer of carbon. So these comes under compounded state. There are many organic compounds in which carbon is the central atom. Let's think about why the carbon should be the central atom in organic chemistry, though we have many other elements. Because the carbon has peculiar property. There are 5 peculiar properties which make carbon to be the central atom in organic compounds. Let's see one by one. The first property is the small size of carbon. Due to the small size of carbon, it can form strong bonds. And the second property would be it can form multiple bonds. It can form single bond, it can form double bond, it can form triple bond. And the third property would be the catenation property. The catenation is the property in which it can form chain-like structures. The fourth property would be the valency of carbon. As you all know that valency of carbon is 4. It can form single bond, double bond, triple bond, and it can form 4 bonds also. If you take a polythene, it has millions and trillions of carbon atoms attached together to form a chain. This is the example of catenation. And the fifth and the last property would be carbon can form isomers. Isomers are the compounds in which chemical formula is same but it has different properties. So the carbon has 5 peculiar properties by which it makes difference. It can be the central atom in the organic chemistry. Therefore, all the organic compounds are the carbon compounds. I hope you understand, and thank you.